haven't seen any foot traffic other than that lady that was walking that way, but like she was wearing leggings. Didn't really seem to mind our presence. I might be wrong, but I think A is on the south side.
I'm on that one. It's going to be closest to it, I think. Or I can run to it. Back.
Yeah. A is going to be all the way on the south. Confirm. Okay.
Anchorage, please.
She's gone.
No, she's still outside. She's
Where?
like,
You know where she's at?
Yeah, she's at the balcony.
Oh, she's on the balcony right now?
No, she's sitting outside the balcony.
She's going to be on the
On the other side?
No, she's...
west side of the building. She's on the ground level?
No.
Where's she at?
I feel like
On the balcony right here?
She's on the
Up here?
balcony out here.
Okay. Like she's in the apartment, so.
Yeah.
She's going to be on the balcony.
Can we get the kiddos out of here?
Yeah, you can.
Does she still have the knife with her?
No, she just...
Okay. Can you get up and leave too?
Just back that way, please.
For safety reasons, because I don't. If we have a confrontation, I don't want to deal with you and her.
All we have
I can do anything.
That's fine.
I don't know what she's going to do, and neither do you. Please leave.
Well, we're just asking you just to move further back. That's all. Okay? That's all we're asking.
Hey, we need some more in the apartment to help manage these folks. They're being a little bit 1032.
Oh my gosh.
So does she still have the knife with her? Do we know if she still has the knife with her?
I don't know. I was in the room.
Okay. Do you know if she still has the knife with her?
No video call
Do you know if she still has the knife with her? Can we turn off the TV?
Do you mind if I go that way?
No.
No, we don't want anyone.
I need you guys to go back into the rooms, please.
That way, 'cause we don't want to have any other conversations with her, or if it gets escalated.
Hey, listen, we need some units in here to help with crowd control. We're trying to deal with the family before we confront the suspect. This one?
The unit and cops visual from here, so just let us know how you want to proceed.
She's on the balcony wrapping the blanket.
I probably only need one. The rest of you go to them and
I'll just leave my car right there.
deal with something further, okay? So just step back for now, please.
Before we confront the suspect. They're refusing to go into their room. No, we just need some more units.
Are you just gonna point that to her? I mean,
If she comes at us with a knife, yes.
she's not gonna come with.
We don't know that, and you don't know that,
We're trying to
okay?
do this as
What
safe
we're
as
trying to do is escalate the situation. I mean, de-escalate the situation, which means we're trying to prevent her from doing anything
I don't
further.
think you guys coming in with those to her. She's
Right now, we're trying to protect you and her,
This
okay?
has nothing to do with us. This is between her and her.
That's fine, but right now we need all of you to move back in case things get out of hand. We don't want that happening, but we need you to move back, please, to the other room. Can you please do that?
you.
Okay, they're right here.
This doesn't give us any standoff. Hey, go ahead and show me your hands. Show me open, empty hands. It's the Anchorage Police. If you do not comply, you could be injured. Open, empty hands. We are not going away.
Now we take a couple steps back.
We want to help you.
Can we get her first name?
What's your first name? What's that?
I need to see open, empty hands, please. Show them. I can't see them from behind you. Put them above your head, please. Please show me open, empty hands. Your non-compliance could result in injury. I don't want to hurt you. We have lethal, we have less lethal options, we have taser, we have K9, we have 40 millimeter launcher, okay? Face away from me.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Knife's on the ground right here. Face away from me.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.